Hi guys, this is Nishitha and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing Lakmé's new launches in the Matte Moist collection. Now, a couple of months back, Lakmé had launched their Mattifying Matte Moist Moisturizer and I had reviewed it in my top moisturizers video. If you've not checked it out, I'm going to leave a link right here. Go check it out right now. And recently, they launched two more new products in the same range. Now, they launched the Lakmé 9 to 5 Matte Moist Clay Face Mask and also Lakmé 9 to 5 Matte Moist Mattifying Face Toner. I'm so excited to try these products out because they're all enriched with green tea and my skin personally loves green tea. Also, with summers around the corner, we need skincare products that don't mix with the sweat and make our skin look oily or greasy, and this Matte Moist range from Lakmé is the ultimate savior. I have freshly cleansed my skin using a gentle cleanser and it's time for a mask. I'm using the Lakmé 9 to 5 Matte Moist Clay Face Mask. The packaging is super cute and travel friendly. I'm going to apply an even layer of this mask on my face. This is a non-drying mask which is enriched with pure green tea extracts and mineral clay. Its perfectly moist texture spreads easily on the skin to absorb excess oil and impurities from deep within the pores. I'm going to keep this on for good 10 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. My skin definitely feels cleansed and refreshed. Now I'm moving on to the next step, which is Lakmé 9 to 5 Matte Moist Toner. Again, this spray is easy to carry around. I'm going to spritz it on a cotton pad and glide it all over my face and neck. Its alcohol-free formula is enriched with green tea, which is a natural antioxidant, and also witch hazel, which is a natural astringent. This toner helps you tighten pores to give your skin a matte finish instantly without leaving any signs of dryness. Next, I'm going to lock up the moisture using the Lakmé Mattifying Matte Moist Moisturizer that keeps your skin moisturized while controlling oil for up to 12 hours and giving it a matte look. So all in all, I feel that this Matte Moist range from Lakmé is super affordable and is very easy to apply. With summers kicking in, it is very important to make sure that your skin is matte and not oily or greasy, because oily or greasy skin can attract dust and pollution very easily. Make sure to check out the description box for links to these products, and also make sure you use the coupon code MATTEMOIST3 for a flat 30% off on lakmeindia.com. That marks the end of today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such fun videos. I will see you super soon in my next one. Until then, bye.